Since school is starting back, I decided to do a restock video of my mini fridge. First, we're starting with the freezer, and I have some peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables. Next, I have some Hot Pockets. Okay, and then we have some Lunchables, some Slim Jims, some mini bags of chips, honey buns, and then I have these little rum cakes that were given to me, and of course some Diet Cokes. Then I have some paper plates, and lastly some mac and cheese cups. And now my mini fridge is stocked and ready for school.